familia, it's Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So as you guys can see for the title, today I'm doing an unboxing of a subscription box that I used to get about 4 years ago, and I used to pay this on my own for about 2 years, and I was reached out by them to ask if I wanted to give their box a try, and my curiosity got the best of me because I wanted to see if it was the same as I remembered, or have they changed it, their packaging, everything, because I will tell you guys what I remember from them and then I'll compare it to what it is now. Now, like I mentioned, they did reach out to me and ask me if I wanted this box, so they did give me a coupon code. I will put the coupon code right on the screen as well as in the description box for you guys. It will get you your very first box for $16. Now, before you guys were like, not a subscription box, Alex, really? Hear me out, you guys, because this is what I'm going to do, and I think it's a great idea. Now, with everything going on in the world, we haven't been able to really have a connection with certain family members or friends, or we haven't seen them in over a year due to everything going on, not wanting to, you know, God forbid, pass anything along to them. And I think that this is a great way to be able to gift something to someone, not necessarily yourself, because if you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure most of us have enough makeup, have enough backups of things, skincare, whatever the case may be. And I feel like this is a good, especially now coming up, a good Mother's Day gift, for instance. I'm actually, and I'm not even making this up, I'm not saying it just to say it, I promise you guys I am. I already spoke to Mr. Man and he thinks it's a great idea. I'm actually going to gift for Mother's Day to my mother-in-law a 3-month worth of this box. I feel like she'll get good use out of it. She gets to try different things. It's not something where I have to go to the store and really think about what her likes and dislikes are now, how her skin has changed, what preferences she likes. This is a lot easier. So I feel like a subscription box is good for a gift. Not necessarily for yourself if you already have enough like me. I don't want it for myself, but I feel like it's a good thing as a gift. So I'm actually going to go ahead and give her a 3-month subscription. And if she actually likes it, her birthday's in the summer, we may extend it for her birthday and get her another 3 months or a 6-month subscription if that's what she wants. So I just wanted to put it out there because I know that some people may not even click on this video, some people may not even care, but I wanted to give you guys an idea that this might be good for a friend, a family member you haven't seen, a neighbor who maybe just had a baby and they haven't had a chance to really go out and pamper themselves. This might be a good gift to give to somebody. And even if it's 1 month, I think it's really, really a nice gesture for somebody who you really don't know personally or don't know their taste personally, but you can get them something that they can enjoy and maybe try out, and maybe it might lead to something they might enjoy. So I'm going to go ahead, and I have the box here. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it on camera for you guys. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome to the familia. My name is Alejandra. I'm an eyeshadow enthusiast with a dash of Project Pan. If that is something that interests you, subscribe, join us. And now without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. All right, you guys, before I get started, I feel like Mimi Driver right now. Is that her name, Mimi? I don't know, from the Drew Carey show with the blue and the pink lipstick. I don't know if I screwed that up, but oh well. We're going to roll with it because I meant to do more green and it came out more blue. I don't know if you guys can actually see the green. Whatever. Who cares? You guys know me. I didn't want to wear a nude lip today. So anyway, we're going to do the unboxing, you guys. I have no clue what's in this box. Like I mentioned, I did buy this subscription box between like 2014 to 2016, around there, for 2 years. I paid for it on my own. Typically, it's $21 a box, but if you use my code, you can get your first box for $16. They do have different subscription options, so you can do a 3-month, 6 months, a yearly, or even a month-to-month if you do feel like you don't want it for that extended amount of time and you just want to try it for like maybe 2 months and see, or give it to somebody for 2 months. I think this is a great way to gift to somebody, honestly, because that's what I'm doing. I really, really like this idea for other things, especially now with how the world is. I feel like this is so easy, safer, to the point, you know what I mean? So anyway, we're going to go ahead and get right to it. First and foremost, I do want to say that their boxes are still the same. Awesome. I have kept almost every single box that they gave me in those years, and I've used them for storage. Currently, I don't have them in my storage unit. I have them up in the attic. I never got rid of them. And there were certain months that were themed or limited edition where they had really nice designs on them. I still have those as well. They're really, really good, reusable. You can use these to repackage gifts. You can use them to store things, jewelry, makeup, as a gift, you know what I mean? Like, these boxes are very, very good. I really like these. Ooh, and I remember this. Yes, they used to have the ribbon on here. So this is what this month looked like. Oh my gosh, and it kind of matches my whole deal, like my nails and my eyes. That was so unintentional, you guys. I did not plan this on at all. So this is the actual thing. This is the actual pamphlet that tells you what's inside. I don't know what's inside and I don't want to look, but this is the Woke Up in Spring box. So I think this is pretty. And I can tell by the colors I'm liking it. One of my favorite flowers is hydrangeas. I don't know if these are hydrangeas, but they're blue like this. Endless blues, I love them. They're since my childhood. So I'm going to put this to the side so we can see what it is that we're getting. It's still wrapped up in here, so I don't know. I will have close-ups of everything so you guys can see everything up close. Ooh, I used to remember getting a lot of cargo in here. Yes. So this is where I actually got a love for cargo. This is the Cargo Swimmables Longwear Eyeshadow Stick. I got it in the color Moro Bay, which looks like it's like an eggplant purple type of shade. This looks like it's a deluxe sample size. Oh, nice. It's like a shadow stick. Yes, it's like a shadow stick. Like I said, I'll give you up close and swatches of this. Oh, I love shadow sticks, you guys. I absolutely love shadow sticks. This is a really nice purple one too. So a deluxe sample size, which is perfect because I have a ton and I love them, so I don't need a full size. So this is nice. See, like you get makeup and skincare. So I'm thinking of like my mother-in-law getting this box, and I can see her enjoying this. Next product that I see is a Freeman French Pink Clay Peel-Off Mask. Oh, it's a pore cleansing one. This is nice. Oh my goodness, this is a nice size too. So here's what this one looks like. Let me see if it smells. I don't know if it smells it. Oh, it does smell nice. It has a light sweet scent, like a not super rosy perfumey, but it does have some sort of scent to it. So I'm going to give this a shot. Oh my goodness, this is where I got these nail polishes. I have two colors from this brand and I had no idea where I forgot where I got them from. A hot pink that actually matches my lip. This is a beautiful, beautiful shade. Now this is the NCLA Los Angeles. This nail polish I really love. This is, from what I remember, it is a nail polish that is made without formaldehyde. And quite a few different nail things that you normally have. This is a really good brand if like you have small kids or you have a sensitivity to certain things. I think this is great. This is a 7 free luxury nail lacquer. The color is gorgeous. This is We're Off to Never Neverland. Oh, such a beautiful name too. This is gorgeous. I love this shade. Very, very beautiful. Ooh, look at this. This is the Beauty on the Go, a Skin Research Lab mini kit. Ooh. This is a travel kit which includes a brow enhancing serum, a lash enhancing serum, and a travel size complexion perfecting polish. Wow. I've always wanted to try a lash serum. I've never heard about this brand, so I'm going to look it up to see, and it has the ingredients on here. The brow, wow, the lash. This is really, really nice. It is sealed, so I'll open it up and show you guys up close of it. But yeah, very, very exciting. I actually wanted to try one of these. Up next, we have the Botanic, I think it's called Botanic Beauty. It's a nourishing mascara, volumizing mascara with almond oil and Camilla oil. Wow. Okay, never heard of this brand, but I'm liking that it has nourishing oils to it. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's one of the like the tubey tubes. Huh. All right, I'm going to give this one a shot and let you guys know as well. You guys know I already have two, actually I have 3 mascaras open. One's about to dry up, so then I'll try this one next and let you guys know whether I like it or not. Ooh, next up we have something that has glitter in it. This is the Kawaii Girl Cosmetics. This is the New York powders. So this is what this one looks like here. Let's open this up and see. Let's see. Oh, it's a pigment. It does have the glitter in here, so just be careful. It's kind of like the Pat McGrath. When you get those stuff, it's all over here too. It's called the Murray Hill. The only downside, it doesn't have a sifter, but that's a pretty shade. Ooh, that one will match the, what do you call it? It'll match the shadow stick that I got. So that's what this one looks like right here. You guys know I love pigment, so I am not mad at this at all. And last but not least is the Good Patch. This is a Time to Unwind, Decompress, Be Calm. This is for, oh, it's a menthol. Interesting. Apply one patch. Patch may be worn up to 12 hours. Place it and peel and place on the inside of your wrist. Interesting. I never heard of this. The use of menthol has been known to temporarily relieve minor aches and pains at muscles and joints. Oh, look at that. I've never heard of this. This is the premium hemp infused one. Interesting. And it kind of matches my eyeshadow right now. Yeah, so I ended up getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products, which I remember used to be about 7 products. So this is what comes in here. So let's see what the cost of everything is, because that's where I like to see everything. Okie doke. So the nail polish is $16, which makes sense. That's reasonable. Ooh, and this is a vegan and cruelty-free nail polish. I remember, from free of harmful ingredients. Yes, I remember that. Then the mascara is $19.90. Okay, reasonable. It's a thick, lengthening and strengthening your lash, and it has a volumizing formula. Nice. Then the Freeman Beauty, this is $5. I believe you can get this at Walmart now that I think about it, right? You can get this at Walmart. It is a clay peel off. Then the Cargo Shadow Stick is $20. Okay, yes, I have seen that they're about like $16 to $20. This is a water-resistant creamy eyeshadow. Nice. This will be perfect in the summer then. Then we have this product right here. The mini kit is, wow, $74 for this. I know these can get expensive, so that's probably why I've never really bought one. This is supposed to, this is their best-selling mini for their lash, brows, and skin. And then we have this product right here, which is 1 patch is $12. If you get 4 patches, it's $16. And this is a 1 patch deal. It contains 15 milligrams of hemp and menthol to help relieve and relax you. Now this is a bonus. I don't see this on here, so I'm assuming this is a bonus that they threw in, because it's not even on this thing at all. So I'm assuming that this is a bonus, and I do like the pigment, so I'm not mad about that. You guys, I'm actually happy with this. Like, from what I remember, this was one of those boxes at the time when I used to have subscription boxes that were one of my favorite. I kept it for a little over 2 years because it was one of my favorites. One, the boxes were awesome. What you got inside I thought was really worth it for $21. At the time I had Ipsy, Birchbox, and BoxyCharm wasn't really started yet at the time. And I think there was other ones that were floating around, Glambox. I can't remember what it was. But Glossybox was one of the ones that I really enjoyed. It was one of the ones that hurt me the most to end it, but I knew I had too many samples at the time that I had to stop subscription boxes. So I personally am going to use this, and I'm going to take advantage, and I'm going to gift this for Mother's Day. I think it's a great Mother's Day gift, birthdays, like I mentioned. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Do you remember getting this one? Is this one of your favorites? Do you prefer a different one? I like the fact that you're getting a mixture of skincare and makeup, and it's not just one or the other. It's just a fun flotation, and it's not all just deluxe sample size. You get full sizes, you get vegan and cruelty-free products. So I did remember I liked the array, and I did try a lot of things from this subscription box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much to Glossybox for sending this over, for allowing me to unbox it and share it with you guys. I'll leave my code and any links down in the description box. If you do use it, I appreciate it very, very much. I understand if you don't. I will link the website down below if you want to just go on your own and check it out. If you want to gift it to somebody, that's perfectly fine. I will let you guys know what I think about these products, whether it's on Instagram or here. If I ever do a favorites video, I'll share it with you guys, because I think that a lot of these I will get use out of. I definitely will get use out of, and I'll let you guys know what I think about them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Anything you need to know will be in the description box. I'll put more videos over here for your enjoyment. Until then, adios.